If you believe that you should be paid more for your work and want to do something about it, you have two choices. Find a new higher paying job or ask for a raise. Both of these options can bring on new fears, but they also open up new possibilities. While you can absolutely look for a new job, you might be able to negotiate a raise with your current company. If you like your current job and believe you can grow there, you should concentrate on negotiating a raise. The truth is that there's nothing wrong with asking for a raise that represents your hard work. But some tactics and best practices will always produce greater results than others. Hello fellas. We are Archie's Top 5. We discuss some of the best fascinating topics in education and business industry. In today's video, you'll learn step by step how to prepare to ask for a raise, as well as how to handle a big fat no from company or a manager. So let's get started. The big question will be when to ask for a raise. It's fairly usual for people to wish for a raise. In fact, according to a recent survey, only 19% of people are satisfied with their wage. When you do ask for a raise, though, you must choose your timing carefully when deciding it's appropriate to ask for a raise. Ask yourself these following questions. How is the company's financial situation? This is not the moment to ask for a raise if the company is struggling. You may be aware of the company's financial condition as an employee. You should be on the lookout for warning indicators, such as budget cuts or layoffs. Look for stories about your company or industry in the news. Conduct company research and, if possible, review financial reports. This study will be valuable to you when you speak with your manager, regardless of the company's financial status. Second question you would ask, what is the status of your manager's workload? It may not be the best moment to ask for a raise if you know your boss is under a lot of stress or is concentrating on too many things right now. Paying attention to your manager's moods and figuring out how to support them indicates maturity, which you can bring up in your salary discussion. Third question you may ask yourself. When is the best time of year to request a raise? There are times in many businesses when discussing compensation is appropriate or necessary. Some companies may conduct annual or quarterly reviews of their employees. Your manager may already be interested in discussing your pay if you have one coming up. Another possibility is the fiscal year's end. For budgeting and tax reporting considerations, employers are likely to be making recruiting and wage plans for the next year at the end of the calendar year. If you find one of these possibilities coming up on your calendar, make a note of it. This can help you get a head start on preparing for your boss's meeting. Fourth question you should ask yourself is, have you successfully completed a significant job or project? Have you lately accomplished a key goal or reached a significant milestone? If yes, this might be an ideal time to ask for a raise. Make a list of the specific accomplishments you'll discuss in your raise conversation. Even though your manager is aware of your job in general, it's possible that he or she is unaware of how outstanding it was. Now let's see if your company or manager is unable to provide you with a pay increase despite your best efforts. Here are some techniques to deal with no. First, ask how you will get the raise. If your boss is vague about the reasons for rejecting your request or claims you are undeserving. Find out what will get you a hike and when you can expect it. Put it in an email once you've negotiated and agreed on the answers, expressing your eagerness to work toward these goals. Second, look for a right time. If your manager thinks it isn't the right time, ask for a date when he isn't short on time or when the company has done well. Third, ask for a bonus. Instead of a raise, ask for a bonus if your supervisor is bound by company policy or tight budgets. You receive an equivalent, one-time payment, and your supervisor can adequately compensate you without upsetting the balance. Fourth, ask for better designation. If your manager can't give you a pay boost but is ready to give you a promotion, ask for a higher designation. Even if your income and function remain unchanged, a better title will result in a faster wage increase in the current or future organization. Fifth, negotiate work responsibility. Always request extra work that has a direct impact on the company's profits. As your job title advances and you contribute more to the company's revenue or profits, you can expect a raise in your pay. We hope that this video will assist you in approaching your firm or boss in a more effective manner when seeking a pay increase. That's all we have for you in this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon on our channel so you don't miss out on any future entertaining video on such painful topics. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the future video.